Hi guys, it's me, CherelleH, and I'm back today to film another video for you guys. So today's video is how I achieve tight curls on short hair. So since I have short hair, I've been rod rolling my hair lately. And this is what I did last night. I washed my hair, I rolled it up. I usually sit underneath my air bonnet dryer. This time I didn't. I just rolled it up, put my bonnet on my head, slept on it all night. Literally woke up this morning and then I took my rollers out and this is what I had. So I like the curls. It was like two pieces in the back that I didn't like, that didn't come out the way I wanted to, so I took my flat iron and made them really tighter than what I wanted. So that's what you guys can do if your hair feels like it's gonna mess up or something. You can just take a flat iron. That's what my hairdresser used to do. She would get like a flat iron and go behind the pieces that didn't come out the way that she wanted them to in the roller. But anyway, these are the kind of rollers that I used. Of course, I used all Jamaican. Oh my God, Jamaican black So I used these rod rollers, guys, right here. I ordered these off of, was it Amazon? I think, yeah, Amazon. So I use these in my hair. I actually have this huge bag is full of rod rollers. Crazy, because I like have so many rod rollers and I don't even rod my hair that often. But so I use that in my hair. Also, I use a lot of body. I put a little bit of this on my hair. And then after that, I used mane and tail Herbal Go Wrap and Mousse set. So I put that on my hair and then I rolled it up. When you're rolling your hair, guys, just make sure that your hair is not dry. Be very cautious of that. Be cautious how you roll it and all that stuff, because you don't want your hair to get like, messed up because you're not rolling it correctly. And it doesn't matter how short your hair is. You can they all have all kind of different sizes of rod rollers you can use in your hair. This is a great hairstyle for anyone trying to do a protective style. It's perfect. It's short, especially for short hair. It's perfect. It rolls right up. It's funny, when I wear my hair like this, my aunt always says she thinks I'm natural. I'm like, no, I have a relaxer in my hair. I'm not natural, but it's funny that people think that. So I'm going to show you guys the back of my hair. Okay, can you guys see it? This is the back of my hair after rod rolling it. And this is basically the front of my hair. So this is how my curls came out, and you can achieve these curls, guys. It's super easy. Also, when I do my hair, I use this comb to pick it out. So when I did my rollers and I took them out, I always take my fingers and I run it through my curls to kind of give it more, of a look, so it'll come out a little bit better. So I give it more of a look by running my fingers through them to separate the curls. Then I take the end of this comb and I just pick through it to kind of make it a little more, not in a bush, but just make it a little more fluffy and not so flat to my head. So that's basically how I achieve these curls. It's simple and super easy, guys. You just, like I said, need your rod rollers. Use your hair mousse. Use your Lotta Body or whatever. After you wash your hair, make sure your hair is clean. Use your rollers and just attempt to roll your hair up, basically. And then you clamp it. But you have to be very careful with these rollers, because the way they make them now, the rollers are made like with a rubber band. So if you're not careful, you can pop yourself or you can break the roller, because the rubber band will just break off. So be very careful. But this is a simple and easy hairstyle that basically anybody can achieve. It's not something that takes forever or anything like that. And basically at night, to take care of your hair is super simple. So at night, all you're going to do is leave your hair the way it is. You don't have to roll it up again, because once you do the rod rollers, if you did it correctly, your hair should already be tight enough that your curls should last you for at least, I was going to say, a week or a couple of days at the most. And let me show you guys. So I usually take this is my bonnet. So I usually take my bonnet and I just throw this on my hair at night. This goes on my hair at night. And then if you want to spray some oil sheen because your hair is dry, you can spray that on your hair and then put this on. Or even in the morning when you take it off, you can re-poof it out and just spray some oil sheen on it. It's just that simple. Also, if your hair starts to get dry, again, oil sheen, or you can put grease in your hair or just some oil. Drops of oil to keep it. Of course, my hair is not dry because I put a lot of Jamaican black castor oil in my hair yesterday, so It's not dry. And then you just poof it out. This is a simple hairstyle for anybody who's natural, anybody who's permed, relaxed, whatever. You can do this hairstyle. It's simple, it's easy. Your hair is going to come out looking good. You're going to come out looking good. And it's a great, like I said, hairstyle where your hair will grow because you're not touching it. So just try this hairstyle out, guys. And I will post pictures in this video to really give you an up close look at my hair as well, so you can kind of get a glimpse or a look for it. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and get to know this girl, CherelleH. Also, check out my other YouTube channel, which is geared towards mental health. It's on, it's VlogsbyCDH. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Peace.